These are the simplest AI side hustles you can start to earn passive income. People presently earn more than $1,000 a month. I'm going to share with you several side hustles that you can start right away and don't require any prior skills. All you need is the appropriate mindset and consistency. The first side hustle I have for you is quite different and unique: old photos colorization, which means you take an old photo and bring it to life using AI. If we look for this service on Fiverr, we'll notice low competition while also seeing that many gigs have quite a few reviews, which means there's demand for this service and people are making money. So, let's suppose I want to add colors to this image right here. Simply go to Google and search for AI image colorizer and select anything you want. There are several websites you can use to accomplish this, and they're all pretty much the same. I discovered this website called Deep AI, which I believe is free to use. All I have to do is upload image here, add prompt colorize this image and click on generate, and like magic, we've added color to the image. On Fiverr, sellers charge $10 to $15 for this service. I understand that might not look like much, but considering this can be done in seconds, I believe it's worth a shot. Second side hustle that's currently doing good on Fiverr is the AI voiceover. As you can see, there are only less than 1,100 results for this service, and most of the gigs have a good amount of reviews. To offer this service, you can use websites like 11labs.io, which has some of the best AI human-like voices. From here, you can select your favorite human-like speaker and can generate the voice after adding your script. Now, the third side hustle is clip art graphics that currently making lots of money. Click art graphics of safari and agricultural animals. In a variety of styles, these designs are currently selling well. I discovered this shop, which only has about 77 products posted, the most of which are clip art graphics. Despite the fact that the shop does not have a large product catalog, it has generated over $100,000 in revenue and makes over $2,000 per month. If we take a closer look, we can see that the best-selling products are clip art. For example, this listing has made over $6,000 in revenue and currently makes around $400 per month, and this one has made over $10,000 and generates $200 per month, among other things. As you can see, we will use ChatGPT and Bing AI to develop the designs. ChatGPT will be used to generate limitless creative concepts, and Bing AI will transform those ideas into visually appealing graphics. I requested ChatGPT to create clip art graphics for kids for the safari niche. I was looking for 5 animals and 5 related equipment because if we look at the competitor, we'll discover the same thing. Animals and other designs such as this compass, binoculars, and more. And as always, ChatGPT never lets me down and gave me everything I needed. So now all I have to do is start generating graphics for each design on the list. On ChatGPT. For the prompt, I'll follow this simple formula: the design element, the image style, and any additional design preference. As a result of using this formula and Bing AI, I was able to produce all of the designs in a matter of minutes, as you can see. After that, we need to separate the photographs from the background, and you have several alternatives for doing so. Canva is the simplest for removing the background easily, but it isn't free because you'll need a premium account. All you have to do is upload the image and click this button to effortlessly remove the background from it. I recommend that you utilize Remove BG to remove your art background. Remove BG is a free background removing website. From there, you're nearly finished and ready to put on sale your goods. The most effective way to deliver the finished product to the customer is to upload all designs to a Google Drive or Dropbox folder and copy the link. Then create a simple PDF page with a button that leads the customers to the folder you've created. Therefore, anyone who purchases the product will get this PDF, and when they click the button, they'll be taken to the folder to view and download the graphics. Now, to stand out, I urge going outside the box and apply your ideas on a variety of things, such as selling your graphics on actual posters or stickers for free. You can use print-on-demand website like Printify to maximize your chances of getting the maximum money from a single design. Please leave any questions in the comments section below. Thank you for viewing and good luck.